Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new ghost font and new haunted tags effect on Instagram that you can use for your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and as you know guys that now is the Halloween moment or Halloween time, and Instagram has just launched new ghost font and also new haunted text, and you can use it for your Halloween themed story. Okay, let's just create an Instagram story, and I'm just going to pick random photo from my gallery, for example this one. Okay, and then I'm going to use the ghost font. So guys, you can click on the text and then you will see ghost font, and I'm going to type in, for example, trick or treat. Okay, and you can change the color guys, and I'm going to choose this orange color. Okay, done. You can also apply haunted text effect. Just go to the effect menu and you will see haunted text effect, and I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, this font and this text effect will be so helpful to create Halloween story, but unfortunately we can only use this font and this effect on Instagram story. It's not for reels. Okay, and then I'm going to try to create praises. So guys, usually when the Halloween moment or Halloween time is coming, Instagram add secret praises, and I'm going to try it. Last year when we type skull, there will be bad fact or bad animation, but I think for now they won't appear. But I don't know, maybe it hasn't just released yet. I don't know, so we can wait for the special effect for Halloween. Or I'm going to try Happy Halloween, whether it's work or not. Okay, it doesn't work. And on Instagram note, usually when we type in Happy Halloween or Valentine or something, there will be special effect, but yeah, there's no effect. And okay guys, that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.